Okay, so I'm boiling up these mandarin oranges. I put a little bit of organic, non-GMO turbinado sugar in there. Sprinkled in a little bit of cornstarch to help it thicken. And these mandarin oranges will get sweeter as they cook. Then I'll cool it, pour it into the dish, and then sprinkle the topping on it. And when it cooks, it'll caramelize even further. So this is the cane sugar, flour, and beef tallow mixed together. These will be sprinkled on top, and it creates such a wonderful soft type of dough on top. And I really like this one because it doesn't have any baking powder or baking soda. So in case you don't have those ingredients, that works out pretty well. So I have this prepped and ready to go for when the oranges are done. Alright, they have fully cooked, and now I have sprinkled some nutmeg on them, and then I will top it with our breading. Okay, so I put the dough breading stuff on top. We're going to put this in the oven, and it's going to really come out well, I hope, as the others have. I've used oranges instead of pears this time. A little experiment. Okay, this is what it looks like done. Alright, I let it cool, obviously. So I'm going to scoop it up so you can get a closer look. Okay, so now you can see kind of what it looks like when it's scooped. Very refreshing. You could also use butter to make the crumbles, you know. Duck fat has a lighter flavor, but for those of you who like the tallow finish of beef, I would recommend that. And this is what it looks like plated. Very beautiful, bright, full-bodied, and perfect for autumn.